Hey everyone, Mr. Dory from the Lake. We're going to culture fruit flies for our mint frogs. I got these mint frogs from Fern Frogs out on Long Island. Thank you for everything you've done for my class. So, we're in a lab right now. So before we do anything, I'm going to put my safety goggles on. So if you're taking the New York State Regents, if this is on a part 2, you could say, always wear your safety goggles. Okay, so I'm tucking them in here. Notice how I have my lab coat on also that I got from one of my teachers from down the hall. Okay, we don't want to get any spills. I'm also going to put gloves on. So again, we're trying to stay safe in the lab. Putting my gloves on before I do anything. And our student editor could fast forward all of this. Okay, so what I have here are fruit flies, okay? They do not fly, and they'll be fed to our dart frogs maybe in about 2 weeks. So I got all this from this website called Josh's Frogs, another Josh's Frog promo, all about dart frog people. But here's our media, so this is our fly food. I'm gonna scoop some out, and I'm gonna put it in a blank container. Cinnamon. Got my media. Okay, again, Josh's Frogs. There you go, Josh's Frogs. Now, I boiled some water, okay? And I'm going to put the boiled water, while it's warmer now. Give this a little swish around, just like I said on the website. This is the first time we're doing this too, so we'll see how this goes. You see it's nice and clumpy because we want to see what it looks like here. Now this is called Excelsior. So this will give the flies something to lay their eggs on and walk around as they grow. I'm just going to stuff that in there. Okay. And then we're going to wait about 5 minutes for everything to cool and cool before we can. So, to make new flies grow here, we need to add some from an existing culture. So if we see flies ready to come out of the container. So now what I do is, and now this could also help you, I saw some videos of people complaining that the flies jump out everywhere. So this is my method to try to keep flies in the container as I'm transferring. So what I'm going to do is I give this a little shake, a little tap and shake on the top. Now they all fly to the bottom, fall to the bottom. I open this up real quick, and now they're all coming out. And real quick, you got to give all the flies a shake in here. Oh, I'm losing some. Then I'll tap the container, and then I close the container real quick. But you have to be careful because the flies will keep coming down. So now, as per what I've seen in previous videos. And from Josh's Frogs again, thanks Josh's Frogs. This is called bug blade, and in another video we'll explain what all these other parasites are that could cause problems to our flies. Sorry, my flies are going all over the place, but this is called bug blade, and it stops mites from forming on the on the flies. So we're going to put some of the bug blade in. We're going to give this another little flies a little shake. Now these are pretty active flies. They're really trying to get out. Okay. So now no mites should form on our flies. So you see here, that's the Josh's Frog. Again, Josh's Frog's bug blade. And now I'll add them to the culture. So I'm trying not to get the bug mite in. I've seen that people use like a sifter, but I'm just doing this unscripted. So as we see here, I'm going to put these flies in their new home. suffocate. And now, as we know scientists, we need some dates. We want to analyze some data. I want to see if these grow, so I'm going to put the date on this container, and today is 5/21/2021. Put my date there. Okay. So now the flies in here will reproduce, lay more eggs, and hopefully I can get an awesome fly culture just like this one, booming with flies to feed our dart frogs. So again, I want to thank Josh's Frogs for awesome material. I want to thank Fern's Frogs in Long Island for helping my classroom. And if you like the lab scene, bang the bell and hit subscribe. And thank you to my student editor. And we'll see how this comes out. Have a good day, everybody.
Thank you.